Hello, 1A, section 1352. Welcome to week 3. So hopefully by Sunday you were able to turn in an outline. I will give you some feedback on those by Thursday night, and then you'll have some time to use that feedback to work on your rough draft, which is due on Sunday. Remember, your rough draft has to be at least 2 full pages. And if you don't turn in a rough draft, unfortunately, you also can't do the peer review, which is the assignment that you'll get next week, where you get to review someone else's assignment in class. It's super important that if you do get that assignment, you do take the time to review that person's paper. Otherwise, they won't get any feedback from a peer on their rough draft. If you're really not sure where to begin on this paper, on the outline or the rough draft, it is not too late. You can still check in with me during office hours or take advantage of the tutoring. It's still not too late for you to sign up for the class, which allows you to see a tutor to get some help on this paper. So for this week, your rough draft is due at the end of the week. I've given you some feedback, some info, which I think will help you get started on the paper if you haven't already. We have another discussion board for the article to get you thinking about some questions I want you to think about for your rough draft. Some grammar activities with run-on sentences, and some info on how to format the paper so that your rough draft can be formatted correctly. In addition, you have your second lab, which is about integrating quotes into your paper. Make sure that you do have in this paper, your essay 1, some quotes from Singer. Perhaps students often ask me, how many quotes do I have in the paper? How many per paragraph? And there's no rule, but if there were a rule, it would be something like maybe 1 quote for each body paragraph. You really want to be referencing the text, telling me, here's what his argument is, here's what I think about it. In addition, make sure you take some time to respond to one of your peers' flip grids by Thursday night on the TED Talk that I asked you to watch. If you didn't get a chance to upload your initial response, you can still do that for partial credit as well. So please let me know if you have any questions. Office hours will be 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. on Wednesday. And in addition, if you can't make those, you can always make the tutoring, and I'll put some more info about that in an announcement. Have a great week, and I look forward to looking at your outlines.